All right, guys, we got 2011 Volvo C30. We took the rear muffler off and swapped it with a Borla crossflow muffler. So factory converter, factory intermediate, and then this is where we took off the old muffler at right there and put the Borla on. Right there, boom. Crossflow. So inlet there, outlets on each side right there and right there. And then we brought it out to 4-inch double wall stainless steel flat cut tips. It has the factory looks, which there's the factory tips right there. So that's what we cut off, put the Borla in its place right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, 2011 Volvo C30 with the Borla crossflow muffler. So it's idle. Idle's around 65. Hit around 88 on the sound decibel. Almost 90. Oh, there it is. No, yeah, it's a good deep tone. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. (2011) Volvo C30, a Borla crossflow muffler.